If you are looking for the best folding electric bikes 2024, well, you're in the right place. We've dug deep and conducted extensive research, and now we're breaking down the absolute best folding electric bikes 2024. We're talking about the perfect balance between price and performance, tailored for different scenarios. If you're eager to find out which suits you best, don't go anywhere. Stick around till the end because we've got all the links for the best prices in the description below. No specific order, just the top contenders in the game. Ready to dive into the world of best folding electric bikes 2024? Let's get started. Number 5, Heybike Horizon. Priced at $1,499, the Heybike Horizon presents a compelling fusion of style, performance, and innovation, making it a standout choice among electric bikes. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this e-bike features an external removable lithium-ion battery that not only enhances convenience in charging, but also facilitates easy maintenance. The Horizon is designed for versatility, equipped with features like the hose link suspension, rear rack, fender mounts, hydraulic disc brakes, and a kickstand mount. These elements underscore the bike's adaptability for various riding experiences. The inclusion of a spring fork with 80 mm travel, preload adjustment, and lockout feature ensures a smooth and controlled ride. Powering the Heybike Horizon is a brushless geared hub motor with 80 nanometers torque and 1200 watts of power at the rear wheel, providing a robust boost. The aluminum alloy spokes contribute to the bike's overall durability. The 24x4-inch puncture-protected tire, combined with unibody construction, ensures stability and reliability on diverse terrains. With a 692 Wh external removable lithium-ion battery and a 4A charger, the Horizon offers an efficient and quick charging solution. The Shimano 7-speed rear derailleur, LED headlight with auto-on feature, and integrated tail light with brake light prioritize safety and functionality. Weighing 36 kilograms, this e-bike has a weight limit of 330 pounds, making it suitable for a diverse range of riders. The Heybike Horizon stands as a testament to Heybike's commitment to delivering quality performance and style in the electric bike market, providing riders with an exciting and reliable two-wheeled adventure at an attractive price point. Number 4, GeForce T7. The bicycle boasts a front suspension fork designed to enhance comfort during rides, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable experience. With 4 inches of travel, it effectively absorbs shocks and vibrations from rough terrain, providing a more comfortable journey. Additionally, the rear suspension further enhances comfort by offering optimal support and cushioning, allowing riders to easily conquer even the most challenging and bumpy terrains while enjoying a comfortable riding experience. The 48 V60A long-range battery, boasting a capacity of 2,880 Wh, offers the capability to cover distances of up to 130 miles on a single charge. It incorporates a removable lithium-ion battery system equipped with a battery management system, BMS, that ensures intelligent safety features are in place for reliable operation. The 750W brushless motor is designed to deliver both power and safety, ensuring a reliable ride. With a top speed of 32 miles per hour, it offers exhilarating performance. Equipped with 7-speed Shimano gears, it provides versatility for various terrains and riding preferences. Generating 80 nanometers of torque, this motor ensures robust acceleration and climbing capabilities. The bicycle features an LCD display for easy monitoring of various parameters during your ride. With 7-speed Shimano gears and a 30.9-inch frame, it offers precise control and a comfortable riding experience. The inclusion of a GeForce system enhances stability and handling. Additionally, it comes equipped with a bright light headlight for improved visibility in low-light conditions, along with a brake light for added safety. Number 3, CycKnight, equipped with a dual suspension system, absorbs the most jarring bumps and shocks when riding, and provides a smoother riding experience on all surfaces. CycKnight features 4-inch wide fat tires 20R, which have a combination of durability and shock absorption to prevent punctures. The large surface area of contact with the ground offers superior traction, stability, and a smoother ride. The Shimano 7-speed gear shifter allows you to change the gears, meeting your ride plan for different terrains. With a built-in battery design and IPX4 waterproof rate, you can even use this e-bike on rainy days. A 48V12 5A battery to power your ride up to 48 miles. The unique design of an integrated 48V LED headlight and rear brake light ensures your riding safety during all environments. You can track the battery level, PS level, total travel distance, and speed at any time, even under the sunshine or whatever. CycKnight folding electric bike is economical, with a sleek outlook and multiple functions. These electric bikes for adults can be charged in 4 hours fully, up to 48 miles for its fast charger. 3 riding modes and 5 levels of pedal help you enjoy riding. The 20 inches X 4.0 fat tire and 48V12 5AH/20AH removable electric bike battery mean more options for your ride plan. The dual shock absorber ensures that you can have a safe and ultimate experience. Experience ultimate comfort and stability with the full suspension system, allowing for smooth rides even on rough surfaces. With 90% pre-assembly, the Wildway Fat Tire e-bike is quick to set up, ensuring you spend less time assembling and more time exploring the great outdoors. Number 2, Wildway FW11S 3.0. Wildway are designed to offer an exceptional riding experience. At its core lies a 48V32AH removable battery, providing a remarkable 60-mile assist range and an impressive 90-mile electric range. Remarkably, the battery weighs only 18 pounds and comes with a 3A fast charger, ensuring efficient recharging for uninterrupted journeys. Powering the Wildway is the robust FW11 model, featuring a powerful 750W48V brushless motor crafted by Shimano, a renowned name in motor engineering. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, the Wildway delivers a seamless riding experience, complemented by its 60 nanometers maximum torque and 30-degree slope capability. The vehicle is equipped with a 7-speed gearing system, offering versatility across various terrains, while its extra-thick cushioning ensures superior comfort during long rides. Stability is ensured through its front fork suspension system, providing a smooth and controlled journey even on rough surfaces. Moreover, the Wildway features a portable design that allows for quick folding within 10 seconds, making it convenient for storage and transportation. For those interested in learning more about this innovative vehicle, detailed information can be found on the official website, wildwaybike.com. Whether for daily commutes or leisurely rides, the Wildway promises an exhilarating and convenient mode of transportation. To bring this to a close, here are my final thoughts. The Wildway FW11S is a fast, powerful, and fun e-bike. For anyone that wants speed and passenger carrying ability on a budget, this can do it for you. You'll get up to faster speeds than other passenger carrying e-bikes on throttle only, and you do it for a fairly reasonable price of just $1,399. Number 1. Wokey H9 AWD. The Wokey H9 AWD EBike is a foldable bike that is perfect for off-road adventures. It comes with a dual motor system, full suspension, 60A battery, folding, hydraulic brakes, smart display with Apple Find My trademark, and room for an additional 20Ah battery. The bike is sturdy and well up to the task of handling rough terrain. The rear suspension, a nearly unique feature of the Wokey H9 AWD, really soaks up big bumps and undulating terrain. The bike is available in black color and comes with a 48V40AH battery. The bike has a top speed of approximately 28 miles per hour and is equipped with 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes. The bike also has a theft alert feature that works with Apple Find My trademark, iOS only. You're able to use the Find My app to take action to recover your lost e-bike. The bike has a patent foldable dual battery frame that adopts dual battery design, which offers more flexibility by allowing you to carry 2 batteries right on the frame. The Wokey H9 AWD bike is equipped with a 750W peak 1200 watt, front-mounted motor, and a 1000 W, peak 1600 watt, rear-mounted motor, combined with off-road fat tires to tackle any terrain. It features selectable drive control modes, RWD mode for maximum distance with minimal power usage, FWD mode for maneuvering over loose terrain, slippery surfaces, or snow, and AWD mode for conquering the most challenging, steepest terrain. The dual battery compatibility offers the longest range battery on the market, allowing riders the flexibility to explore new routes and travel longer distances without worrying about running out of battery power. The incredible display of the Wokey H9 AWD features full color and integrates with the app and navigation, including Apple. Find my integration for added security with password protection.